Hey everyone, this is Keith from easytradingschool.com, and today I just want to let the my subscribers know an update. There's a new auto trading system coming out. It's gonna help you make money. I'm gonna be signing up. I just got an email from the makers, the developers. The new platform is coming out. So I don't know what's it called. I don't know anything about it. I will be testing it on the channel. So this is just information for you to watch out. Within the 24 hours it's going to be launched anytime, and I'm going to be showing you, and I'm going to showing you how it works, and I'm going to trade with it, whether it's good or not, whether you should use it or not, how much investment you need. Usually they ask for 500 euros. I don't know what the amount is going to be. Now the return rate that we expect from returns is about 60% to 70%. That would be a normal average return. So I mean, if you were to put a 500 euros in, so at 65%, you would get 325, and based on how many trades you take and stuff. So you can make three times the money. Uh, and now it's very important that the new people signing up will be getting the most benefit out of it. Sometimes the software gets old and it gets overloaded. The strategy becomes loose. The brokers change some algorithm. The markets move. So when the product, when the service is new, it is at its best, and it's best to sign up as quickly as possible, close to date of the launch, because the system is working very well, and that's why it's coming out. So it's very important that you sign up and get trading within the first week of the launch, and the quicker the better. So it's gonna be coming on within 24 hours. So watch my channel for any update. Okay, now I just before I close this update, I just want to show you that we have a trading course available which you can sign up. It's only 99 euros, and it's right here. We have some different levels, but the first one, the starter trader, is only for 99 euros, and it's very good to give you good foundation. It's my course. I explain you everything about trading, FX and Forex and crypto, and all the basic things, and the pips and stop losses, and the trading and trends, everything. So there's a lot of big course in there. So it's only 99 euros. So I emphasize that if you're looking to make a very good impression on on your bank account, take this course. And also the upcoming trading system is coming online, and so watch out for that update and sign up as quickly as you can with your details. Okay, thanks for watching, and see you again.